3, so Sowers took the first 3 holes. This is what I call the horn blowing parade. They can't ride down the road and let you just look at them. They all got to blow the horn. I don't think these people realize that everybody's been sitting here for an hour and a half already. I'll be here until all these horns get done blowing. First time I ever had a parade for the release of a motorcycle, but there it is. As you can see, they lined up down the street. Everybody saying howdy. There's even Burt Reynolds there, the Smoking the Bandit. BJ in the back. Look at him go. Go ahead. He's ready. Look, there's a helicopter. I guess they're filming from the sky the release of the Beta 300 RX Pro. I want you to look at that. Got the news channel out here, all kinds of social media. Pretty much every kind of horn you can imagine. So you can see why I call this the horn blowing parade. Oh, there's the thing. It's that kid up there on the hill. Tell them to blow the horn. Somebody tackle that kid. Now, he ain't even got there yet. That don't count. If anybody's interested in a Beta, here's the phone number to the shop for sale motorcycles and containers. Here's our little business here at the Gwen Motorsports on West Pine Street, Mount Airy, North Carolina. Selling all your power sport needs. Full line of Beta motorcycles and Enduro trials. Uh-oh, something's on fire back there. That ain't a good sign. Might be needing a fire truck. Must be Jake. They call him Jake's Break. way down yonder. Don't you look at that thing. I'm gonna say he's got that thing turned up and is pouring diesel fuel straight down the intake to make it smoke like that. He done polluted the whole county. Uh-oh, maybe there's one on the side of the road. That might be the problem. Maybe it ain't supposed to do that. Not really Oh, that's a nice Mayberry must be Rusty Mooney. I like this horn. That was nice and soft. I appreciate that. That was all a memory of Rusty Moody. Man, what's this thing? Smoke right here. Smokey's on the roll again down there. He lost his place in line. They must have transferred from fuel from one side to the other to get him going again. That's a nice, easy horn. I like that. Never mind. He made it blow more louder. I didn't like that. There's your Blue Ridge Truck Service guys. They're looking at their, there's their billboard right there if you need your truck worked on. There's old Lester's Towing. They work on the truck. A big old rotator. Mountain River truck in action. It's a daggone cement truck. You don't usually see them hauling cement or in a movie where somebody stole the cement truck. Mathis. Down in Wilkesboro or Jonesville. Mathis Concrete. I believe that plant's in Jonesville. There's a local guy. I'm not sure all that horn blowing is necessary. cleaning his ears up here now. He's had enough. So we've been going, it looks like almost 11 minutes here. These are the folks that was all nice and parked over here at the Bottomley truck. I guess they call it the Mayberry truck show here in Mount Airy. This is about the 3rd year, maybe. I don't know. It could be the 4th year. I didn't keep up with it. They always do this fancy parade on Friday night where they disturb traffic all the way through downtown and around, and I don't know how big a loop it is. You see here's 11 minutes, almost 12 minutes of solid traffic, and they still coming. The guy there is dragging behind. He's messing up the program. Too worried about blowing his horn. Helicopter again. Ironically, right up on top of that hill right there, I don't even think you can see it from here, but there's a helipad up there. I got a windsock and everything. We've seen a couple coming in and out of there where they transfer people out of the mountain. You can't see it from here because of these trees, but we're right at the bottom of the Blue Ridge here. You see that bridge you see down there, that's Highway 77, right here between the exits 100. This is actually exit 100 you're looking at the horn blowing parade. Pink truck. Black truck with a green stripe. Brown truck with some purple lights. Got it all. Look at that little cab over it. That thing ain't but 9 feet long. So if you're driving a truck driver, if you're a truck driver and people give you a hard time for blowing your horn at them, what you want to do is you want to come to the Mayberry truck show and you get you about 2.5 hours of blowing the horn all you want to. You can just lay into it the whole time apparently. If your arm gets tired, they'll probably find somebody to pull the cord for you. And they still coming. About 15 minutes into this. There's a nice little shot right here. I gotta quit blowing that hard, that don't sound good. Right there's a dump truck with a whole bunch of axles. I was getting excited. I think we can see the end of the line. I'm not real sure. I think we can get 2 or 3 of these pokies to tighten it on up. We can get this thing done. I think I see the end. Good sign, the end of the line. That's a real good sign. Shoot the cat, shoot the cat. Watch him go. Oh yeah, they cutting the locals loose now. Watch them go. Ain't got no time for no horn blowing parade. They gotta go. I think that's it. End of the line here. There you go. Thank you. Have a nice day.